Hey guys, welcome back to Fresh to DIY Craft. So in this video I'll be showing you how to turn this TV table into something new. And as you can see, this is brown and black and it doesn't go with the theme of the room. And I've just turned it into grey and white. And it's very simple, easy, cheap and on a budget. And I've got all the things from Wilkinson, but you can get from B&Q or any craft shop. And I'll put everything down in the description box below. So as you can see, the inside is still brown as I've left it, but if you want you can go ahead and paint it. So let's get started. So firstly, you have to wipe down the table, take all the screws and everything off, and make sure there's no grease or it's not wet, because if there is grease and wet then it won't stick onto it properly. And the things that I've just used is a scraper, a cutter and the sticky roller. So I've just got one of the TV doors and I've just flattened it down and I've cleaned it obviously. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add on the sticky part, and I'm going to smooth it down with the scraper. And I'll use the cutter for the edges if needed so.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
And now I'm just going to go ahead and add the sticky part to the drawers as well. These drawers won't come off, so I just have to apply it like that. And I'm still doing the same technique with the table doors. And I'm just using the cutter and the scraper, and that's it. This whole DIY literally takes about 1 hour. But you can go ahead and spray paint it, or you can go ahead and paint it as well. These are optional, but the sticky thing, it just gives a little gloss and texture, and it just makes it new again. But if you spray paint it or paint it, you can't really wipe it down that much. Anyways, I'm sure you're going to get the point of the video. You just need to use the scraper and the cutter and just smooth it down as much as you want. If you don't have a scraper, you can use a wet sponge. But to be honest, the scraper is much easier and it's really cheap. I paid $1 for the cutter and the scraper from Wilkinson, but you can get on eBay as well. And I've left the inside of the TV stand brown, as it's not really showing that much, but if you want, you can go ahead and paint it like I said. Sorry if the video keeps on shaking, but I just didn't have my camera stand, so I had to get the people around me to hold the video for me.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. If you have any questions or any inquiries, put it in the comments down below. And also, if you want for me to make something for my next video, give me some suggestions. And till next time, take care and good luck with these DIYs. Thanks a lot again.
I'm coming home.